scathing remarks against the Manipur government over the violence that took place in the state. Today, the Supreme Court said there has been an absolute breakdown of constitutional machinery in the state for the past 2 months. Terming the investigation lethargic, Chief Justice of India, D.Y. Chandrachud, who's heading the bench, said there's been a delay in FIRs being registered and statements being recorded. When the hearing began today afternoon, the Solicitor General Tushar Mehta informed the court that 6,523 FIRs related to violence had been registered. 11 of these pertain to crimes against women and children. Remember, that was a question the Supreme Court had put to the state government and the central government yesterday and asked for it to be answered today. Tushar Mehta said the data was part of the status report that he was submitting. He also told the bench that a 0 FIR was registered on May 15th in the case and it was converted to a regular FIR on the 16th of June. When the Chief Justice asked whether any arrests had been made, the Solicitor General said he did not have information on that. And now the Supreme Court has summoned the Director General of Police of Manipur on Monday. Well, let's go across to Arvind for more.
On the current state of affairs in the state of Manipur, Supreme Court has said that at least for 2 months there has been a complete breakdown of constitutional machinery and also law and order in the state of Manipur. And Supreme Court has also noted that the investigation that has been carried by the Manipur State Police on the violence, on the FIRs that have been registered in connection with the violence in the state of Manipur is tardy and also lethargic. And that's where Supreme Court has hinted that a committee will be constituted comprising of former High Court judges to look into this particular matter. And also very importantly, last hearing Supreme Court had asked the central government and also state of Manipur to give a breakup of the FIRs that have been registered in the state of Manipur. Today, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the state of Manipur, told the Supreme Court since May 3rd, that's when the violence began in the state of Manipur. Almost 6,532 FIRs have been registered by the Manipur police, of which 11 pertains to crime against women and children. And that's where Centre and also State of Manipur, both of them told the Supreme Court that they are open to transferring all these 11 FIRs that pertains to crime against women and children to further investigation by Central Bureau of Investigation. But Supreme Court, as of this moment, has not passed any order in transferring all these 11 FIRs to Central Bureau of Investigation. But Supreme Court has said that there has to be a mechanism that has to be put in place to investigate all the 6,500 odd FIRs. And also very importantly, Supreme Court has questioned the conduct of the Manipur police, especially pertaining to the investigation in connection with all the 6,500 odd FIRs. And Supreme Court has also taken note of the status report that had been filed by the state of Manipur that shows almost 150 people have been killed in this particular violence, and there are a number of bodies that are still unclaimed across the state of Manipur. And that's why Supreme Court has also asked state of Manipur to come up with a mechanism to ensure all these bodies and also rehabilitation measures along with the compensation can be given to the victims across the state. And also state of Manipur has told the Supreme Court almost 252 people have been arrested across all the 6,500 odd FIRs. But Supreme Court has summoned the DGP of Manipur to be physically present in Supreme Court on Monday, where Supreme Court will ask for further queries or further relevant information from state of Manipur, because Supreme Court today noted that the status report filed by state of Manipur is inadequate because it does not have a breakup of cases pertaining to murder, pertaining to rape and also serious crimes. And that's why Supreme Court has asked the DGP of Manipur to physically present to provide all this information. Once that particular information is provided, then Supreme Court will be ordering setting up of a committee to look into the overall violence in the state of Manipur along with rehabilitation measures, etc. But the Supreme Court will also take a final call which agency will be investigating serious crimes like gang rape, murder and arson, etc. in connection with this Manipur violence.